Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. So as you can see, I have a new do. And for those of you who used to watch some of my hair videos, you already know what time it is. It's time for another crochet slay. So let's get into it. Okay, so since it's summertime, I definitely wanted something short, fun, nothing to make my head too hot. And it was definitely time for a new hairstyle. I thought, hey, let's try some crochet locks. I've done crochet locks in the past. The crochet locks that I did in the past, they were nice, but they were long and it made my neck hot. So I wanted to try something short this time. I went to the beauty supply store and I found these true 4x curly goddess locks by Motown Tress. Here's a picture of the packaging. I got two colors, a T1B27 and a T1B30. Y'all, I definitely am feeling this crochet style. I love the color mixture. It's a good mix of 1B27 and then here is the 1B30. Pretty realistic, very lightweight. Like this hair feels super light. I am on day, what? When did I get this hair installed? Last week, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I am on day 4 of this hair and so far, so good. Not a lot of shedding, very minimal. Like if I run my hands through it, you know, I may feel a little piece like right here that I feel now. And I may just, you know, lightly tug it out or whatever, but very minimal shedding. I used about, let's see, I purchased way more packs than I needed to purchase. I'm the type, if I'm ordering online, I'd rather purchase more than purchase less and then get in the chair and have like a bunch of gaps in my head. So I ordered 8 packs, didn't use anywhere near. We used, I would say, about 3.5 packs. Mainly because it already comes with 4 like bundles of crochet hair, so it's a good amount of hair in one pack, so you don't need much. I wanted it looking natural but then a little bit full. I didn't want it looking like a wig sitting on top of my head, so I'm definitely pleased with this crochet hairstyle. I will be wearing this the entire summer. I usually keep my crochet styles in about like 2.5, 3 months. That's my prerogative. I know some people may argue that's too long. Not for me. I'm a mother, okay? Before I was a mom, I could do the whole every 2 weeks thing, get my blowout, all that good stuff. But now I can't do that. We got to get babysitters in place. We got to make sure we have the right time and date, and then I can go get my hair done. I do what is easy for me to manage, maintain, and something that is going to last me a long time. Those are my non-negotiables that I go by. So I definitely figure I would give you guys some updates within the next few weeks. I'm going to do the updates on my other social media platforms like my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'll give you guys quick updates on that. So if you want to catch those updates, make sure you go over to those social media platforms and hit that follow button so you can join my family over there. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, with this hair, you do not need to put a whole lot of product in it. There's no need. I make sure I oil my scalp for sure. I may, you know, spray my hair with a little bit of oil sheen from time to time. When I say low maintenance, this is low maintenance, okay? Very low maintenance, and that's what I need. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and until next time, peace. See you later.